Hirap kumita ng pera naman dito.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshua Jacinto. Now, let's call on Justin Ano Nuevo.
Rap. Wait lang. Thanks, mahal. Ito po, ito po. Ito, girl. Thank you.
Now, let's welcome his brother, Nicanor Sanidad.
Mami flower, baba nyo lang konti. Sa kabila na lang. Yan. Sir, tingin dito. One more po, one more. Thank you.
Our next rose, his brother, Hil Sanidad.
One more, wait, one more.
Our next rose, Mr. Richard Ramos.
One more, mami, tingin po sa camera. Thank you.
Our next rose, Mr. Janice de la Cruz.
Bye, sir. One more, wait, one more. Thank you.
Our next rose, Mr. Chester Tan.
Wait, one more.
Baka nandoon sa kabila.
And of course, last but definitely not the least, the husband, Mr. Bernardo Jacinto.
Closer po naman, sir. Closer. Closer po, closer. One more, wait.
give a big hand of applause to our 8 roses. Pwede ko ba tawagin ang ating 8 roses for a picture taking?